Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you want to free up your local device space by moving your files to iCloud? In this video, I will recommend 2 effective ways I personally use to move iPhone storage to iCloud on your iPhone. Let's go. Technically, you can't completely move your files and data off your iPhone, as iCloud is a cloud-based storage service, not an extension of your device's local storage. Instead, you can optimize your iPhone storage by syncing your data with iCloud. For instance, photos and videos are common file types that often consume a significant amount of local storage. To store these files on iCloud, go to Settings, tap your name, and open the iCloud configuration page. Navigate to Photos, and ensure Sync this iPhone is activated. Most importantly, make sure Optimize iPhone Storage is enabled. This setting frees up local storage by keeping only low-resolution versions of photos and videos on your device, while the full-resolution versions remain in the cloud. Similarly, enable iCloud Drive in the iCloud configuration page. This allows your device to use iCloud as cloud-based storage for documents and files across various apps. You can also sync data for other apps installed on your device. This way, you can access them across multiple Apple devices without filling up your device's local storage. Of course, ensure you have sufficient iCloud storage to accommodate your data. If needed, you can upgrade to one of the multiple plans for iCloud Plus. Another way to free up local storage is to manually move files and documents to iCloud Drive. Open the Files app and navigate to the On My iPhone directory. Select the large files saved on your device. Click Copy. Save them to your iCloud Drive directory. Once copied, you can delete the original files from On My iPhone to save space. However, even deleted files still use up space as they are temporarily stored in the Recently Deleted folder. To permanently remove them and free up storage, navigate to the Browse window. Go to the Recently Deleted folder and delete the files. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.